The EarthRoamer SX is widely regarded as one of the finest and most advanced overland vehicles ever crafted by EarthRoamer, and rightfully so. Drawing from the expertise gained from constructing over 300 overland vehicles since 1998, the SX represents the culmination of years of learning, resulting in a vehicle that meets every conceivable requirement. Nevertheless, acquiring the EarthRoamer SX is often a challenging endeavor. Bearing that in mind, in today's video, we've compiled a list of 5 EarthRoamer SX alternatives worth considering. Without delay, let's dive in. As far as a capable EarthRoamer SX alternative goes, the 27 North RexRover series can be considered a commendable one. Built on the robust and reliable Ford F250 Super Cab 4x4, the 27 North RexRover effortlessly combines practical, everyday usage with outback prowess. The RV comes equipped with a reliable and powerful V8 engine, coupled with a 10-speed transmission that pretty much guarantees a confident level of acceleration, all while providing a slew of premium features such as electric awning, LED light bar, and wet sound speakers that amplify the adventure. For the interior, the RexRover comes offering a luxurious haven, complete with a king-size bed, convertible dinette, and a well-equipped kitchen including a microwave, double-burner induction cooktop, and even a washing machine. 27 North RexRover prioritizes comfort over everything else and comes fully equipped with a comfortable wet bath, cassette toilet, and climate control. Additionally, the RexRover comes with extruded aluminum cabinetry and a thoughtful design, which ensures your exploration feels more like a stroll outside of your home, the difference being the home has wheels. The Hymer MLT series, exemplified by the versatile MLT 584x4, emerges as a captivating alternative to the EarthRoamer SX. Tailored for intrepid explorers, its raised height and 4x4 drivetrain elevate off-road capabilities, ideal for snowy terrains or uncharted paths. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter base, featuring a rear-wheel drive and a switch for front-wheel engagement, ensures adaptable maneuverability. Setup is a breeze with a spacious rear garage for outdoor gear and a straightforward connection to utilities. Inside, the rear fixed bed layout, side dinette, and well-equipped kitchen offer comfort and functionality. The washroom maximizes every inch, incorporating a bench toilet, shower, and ample storage. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, the MLT series marries practicality with adventure, inviting you to redefine exploration with a European touch. From its raised stance to thoughtful interior details, the MLT 584x4 beckons you to elevate your journey, where every drive becomes an adventure waiting to unfold. Overlanding prowess meets a new standard with the TerraNova from EarthCruiser, an RV that can be considered as an excellent alternative to the EarthRoamer SX. The TerraNova has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail from years of overlanding experience. The result? Every single component of this vehicle serves the seamless pursuit of adventure itself. This expedition camper is based on either a Ford F350 or a Ram 3500 chassis, which results in the vehicle being able to navigate difficult terrains while towing with ease. The TerraNova is built like a racing yacht, as the fiberglass and high-density plastic construction ensures the vehicle not only stands the test of time, but also ensures easy cleaning. The kinetic mount system and the foam-insulated raising roof exemplify innovation and offer a 360-degree panoramic view through 8 windows that have insect repellent, privacy-centered screens, and clear vinyl layers. The TerraNova has been designed to comply with extreme climates, as the foam core composite guarantees comfort and safety regardless of the season. Contrary to stereotypical beliefs, the TerraNova is also built in a sleek and aerodynamic design, a design where the interior maximizes space, comfort, and usability. With expanded living quarters, convertible sleeping areas, and proven systems, the TerraNova awaits you to redefine your overland journey, with not just a promise of simple exploration, but an expedition worth remembering. A new era of RV exploration is near, and it begins with the Winnebago Ekko, a compelling alternative to the EarthRoamer SX that blends the efficiency and performance of a camper van that has the capacity of a Class C coach, redefining adventure itself in the process. The Ekko is powered by a robust 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 with 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Combined with a 31-gallon fuel tank, there's little to nothing that'd stand in the way of your journeys. Safety is Winnebago's top priority, and the Ekko follows through with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping system, and more. The Ekko provides the user with full adaptability in terms of off-grid living with 455-watt solar panels, a dedicated alternator, and lithium-ion batteries. Additionally, you're getting a 50-gallon freshwater tank alongside all-season insulation, making you prepared for any climate at any time of the year, while the thoughtful interior, FlexBed system, and innovative wet-dry bath ensure an optimum level of comfort on the road. Winnebago Ekko's potential lies in combining efficiency with luxury, and of course, an adventure without boundaries. The EarthRoamer XV LTS is not only a bold alternative to the already extraordinary EarthRoamer SX, but allows the driver to escape the norms of conformity and embrace the untamed wild. The off-road marvel is based on the chassis of a Ford F550, making it a graceful combination of rugged capability and environmental consciousness that boasts four-wheel drive, turbo diesel power, and of course, sustainable solar energy. You also get to experience an unparalleled level of freedom, courtesy of a thoughtfully designed interior that features handcrafted elements, elevating your overland adventures to the very pinnacle of luxury. Whether your road takes you to the untamed Alaskan frontiers or the sun-soaked beaches of Baja, the EarthRoamer XV LTS fearlessly and reliably makes a path. On another note, you can say goodbye to crowded campgrounds, as this expedition vehicle comes with more than enough storage compartments so you can just relax and enjoy inside your vehicle without having to rely on the mercy of the great outdoors, providing an ultimate off-the-grid experience. Why settle for the ordinary? Step into the spacious elegance of the EarthRoamer, because at the end of the day, wherever you roam is your home. So those were 5 EarthRoamer SX alternatives you should see. Which one of these would you be going with, and why? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.